Hi, welcome to Something More. I am Swanan, and today we are going to do a 2 month review of my new Apple MacBook Air with Apple Silicon. I had purchased this in January and also made an unboxing video about the same. But I hadn't planned to do a long term review until last night when something struck my mind. Okay, let's start with the review. So, in the first part, let's talk about the CPU performance. I have been using this machine majorly for mobile app development, developing mobile apps using Flutter, Titanium, using VS Code, Xcode, and Android Studio for generating the builds. Also, doing some video editing and exporting using Final Cut, and some normal browsing. Everything is very smooth. There is no lag even when using the apps which are not yet compatible with M1 and using the Rosetta 2 emulation like VS Code, also some part of Android Studio. I also worked on two Flutter applications using the latest Flutter 2 version and developed iOS and Android apps and also created a responsive web app. If want, I will make another video about for that. But the base variant of the Mac handled all that really well. That too without having any throttling because there is no fan for cooling. Now for the second part, let's talk about some battery performance. So as I mentioned in the first part, how I am using this Mac. So before coming to the MacBook Air, let's first try and consider all that on a 2019 MacBook Pro 16-inch, which I was using and still using for all that. Even though I am not a heavy user, on a single charge doing all of that, the battery will be dead in a day, and sometimes I have to charge it in the middle. But to my surprise, I did all of that 2 days straight and still was around 40% on the new MacBook Air. But this is all very normal for the new Apple Silicon Macs. This is already something that all other developers and reviewers on YouTube will also praise for the machine for the same. As you can see here too, that I had done the full charge on the 21st March and the app usage on different days. But for the crazy part that made me do this review is I also did two live streams of 20 and 40 minutes using the OBS software, which is still using the Rosetta 2 emulation. So I had no idea about the OBS. I installed the software, watched some YouTube videos for learning the software, and did the live streams. Not for the purpose of the review, but just casually. And then all of a sudden, it just struck to me that I did all of it without plugging in the machine 2 days straight. So that's it guys. This is the MacBook Air M1 2-month review, and I think now this is the best laptop in the market for a casual as well as a heavy user, as you can use this machine for the purpose which were practically impossible for any laptop in the past, be it Windows or Mac. Hopefully you enjoyed this review. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. See you in my next video.